Hi, my name is Tania. Today I will show you how you can easily upgrade your SharePoint sites to the latest ShortPoint version. This video is for you if your current ShortPoint version is 7.0 or below. If you already have the ShortPoint version 7.1.5 or later, check our new video about the upgrade types. Starting with ShortPoint SPFX 7.1.5 version, the upgrade process has become more efficient. You won't need to upgrade each site collection manually every time when a new version is released. No more app catalog uploads, adding a new app to the site contents, and installing it from the dashboard. We will now do this one last time using the package 7.1.5. After it is done, you will always upgrade it once from a single location with just one click and push the update to all sites, or set it to be completely automatic. To begin with, we need to download the ShortPoint package that contains new upgrade files. On the home page, shortpoint.com, click the Download button. Then choose Office 365 as your SharePoint environment and click Download ShortPoint SPFX to get the latest version of ShortPoint. Once the file is downloaded, open the zip file and extract the downloaded SP package file. We will need it for the first upgrade step, adding the ShortPoint package to the tenant app catalog. It is important to note that the downloaded package will always have the 7.1.5 version. It contains all necessary settings to provide you with the latest updates. Once upgraded, your ShortPoint version will always be the latest public. Log in to your Office.com page with an administrator account and click here to open the app launcher. Select Admin to access your Office 365 Admin Center. From the Admin Center side menu, click the Show All button and choose SharePoint. You will now be redirected to the SharePoint Admin Center. Please note that you need to have global SharePoint admin permissions to access this page. As a tip for the future, you can also open the SharePoint Admin Center from your tenant root site by simply adding -admin to the URL here. From the SharePoint Admin Center side menu, click the More Features button. Under the Apps section, click the Open button. Finally, open the App Catalog. From its side menu, choose Apps for SharePoint option. To delete the currently installed version, click the ellipsis button to show other options. Click the ellipsis button again to cite, share, and lastly, click Delete. Then click Upload and then choose Files. In the File Explorer, select the extracted SP package file. Make sure that you have chosen the SP package file and not the downloaded zip folder. Click OK. Click Deploy. You will see a message in green on the top indicating that the upload was successful. Please check here if ShortPoint SPFX is deployed. If you see an error message Deployment failed, you will need to select the app and deploy it again. Once you have added the package file to your tenant app catalog, it's time to add the ShortPoint app to the site contents of your SharePoint site. We will start updating ShortPoint on the main root site, but you can also choose any other site collection from your tenant that you want to upgrade. Open your SharePoint site. Click the cogwheel from the suite bar and choose the site contents. In the Open Site Contents, locate the ShortPoint SPFX app. It is important to select the ShortPoint SPFX app and not the ShortPoint dashboard. In Modern Experience, click the ellipsis button and select Details. If you are using Classic SharePoint Experience, click the ellipsis button and select About. Currently, you can update the ShortPoint SPFX app version in Classic Experience only. If you are seeing the new interface by SharePoint, just click Switch to the Classic SharePoint store to go back to the Classic Experience. To update the ShortPoint SPFX version to the new version, click Get It. After getting the app, you will notice that the SPFX app is grayed out. You have to wait for a little until the app gets completely updated on your site. Now refresh the page. You should see that the SPFX app is updated and no longer grayed out. It means we can now proceed with the last upgrade step, reinstalling it from the dashboard. Open the ShortPoint dashboard. You should see a message indicating the availability of the new ShortPoint version for your site. Click the Reinstallation tile to proceed. Click the Reinstall button. Do not leave this page until the reinstallation is finished. After it is done, you will see the message highlighted in green confirming the successful completion. All that is left is to upgrade other site collections you are using ShortPoint on. This will be the last time that you are going to do it in order to switch to the new upgrade. Identify the SharePoint site collection you would like to upgrade, go to its site contents to get the new version, and reinstall it from the dashboard. Downloading the packages and upgrading won't be necessary for the future. ShortPoint version will be updated automatically or with one click for your entire tenant. All site collections that have 7.1.5 version reinstalled. Once upgraded, you may choose how you want to get the future ShortPoint versions. Don't know what is better for you? Auto upgrade or sandbox mode? Check our video on the upgrade types. Thank you for upgrading with us. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great day and see you soon!